Cross-border crimes are complex, and the fight against them requires special investigative techniques and judicial cooperation tools. We're here to help. Eurojust, the European Union Agency for Criminal Justice Cooperation, facilitates judicial cooperation between national authorities and reinforces their efforts through a wide range of services and support, like coordination meetings, coordination centres, and joint investigation teams. What's a joint investigation team? A team of investigators, typically prosecutors and judges, assisted by law enforcement officers, working together when there is a common investigation interest affecting their countries. The JIT is based on an agreement and works in a legal environment that makes sure the evidence they collect and information they exchange is admissible in their domestic criminal proceedings. Eurojust facilitates JIT setup and provides support to JIT's operations when requested. We're a trusted partner, providing operational, legal or financial support to hundreds of JITs every year. How does it work? JITs operate based on an agreement concluded by states involved in a case. JITs can be set up on various different legal bases. Information and evidence collected by a JIT can be shared with all parties on the sole basis of the JIT agreement, without the need to rely on traditional instruments of mutual legal assistance. JIT participants are also entitled to be present or take part in investigative measures conducted outside their state of origin, within the limits of national legislation and/or directions of the JIT leader. When is a JIT recommended? JITs are recommended for cases of demanding cross-border investigations with links to other member states, and for cases that require coordinated, concerted investigative action between the involved member states. What support does Eurojust offer? Through the national desks involved, or as a participant of the JIT, Eurojust supports the JIT through its full life cycle. Design. We support authorities from the start, helping them decide if their case is suitable for a JIT and identifying the legal basis for setting up JITs with non-EU countries. Setup. Eurojust helps authorities navigate differing member state procedural laws on evidence admissibility, information disclosure, and the powers of seconded members. We also assist in drafting JIT agreements, obtaining the necessary signatures, as well as reaching agreements among authorities in working methods. Operation. Eurojust facilitates the operations of a JIT by supporting the development of investigative and prosecutorial strategies, organising and hosting coordination centres, and enabling jurisdiction settlement. Funding. JIT partners can request financial support from Eurojust for travel and accommodation expenses, costs for interpretation and translation, and transfer of items. Eurojust can also loan equipment, such as smartphones, laptops, printers and scanners. To receive Eurojust funding, the national member, deputy or assistant needs to be invited to participate in the JIT. If you want to set up a JIT, you can consult the model agreement and the JIT's practical guide, or contact your national member, the JIT's national experts of your member state, or the JIT's network secretariat. Your case is our cause. Eurojust.